so I know that I'm starting this Vlogmas actually the night before, but I'm already rendering December 4th's vlog, so this is just going to be part of December 5th, but it's all kind of confusing. Okay, I wanted to show you guys that I found the cutest bags in my stash from Dollar Tree, and I love these because they kind of remind me of like mermaid scales. And since, you know, I'm doing like a little mermaid theme, like how perfect is this? I have like a plain pink one in case I want to do that. And then I also have this one from Dollar Tree. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, but this was exactly the moment I've always been waiting for, from hauling all of those bags and just going up there and having such a huge selection to choose from. Yeah, anyways, all right, so I don't know, I might take this one out of the occasion, but this right here, I don't think it's gonna fit into a bag. Good morning. I'm in the car. I think you guys have already seen a couple of clips starting off this vlog. It's my daughter's birthday. I no longer have a teenager. That's insane. So she's 20 years old today, and I have been busy preparing to basically have today off from a bigger YouTube day than I normally do. So I went ahead and pre-filmed Friday's haul yesterday. I edited it yesterday, loaded it up, and everything, scheduled the time. So main channel is checked off the list. And then I edited the vlog that will go up for December 4th. So it's technically December 3rd. That goes up December 4th. So you guys are obviously watching this December 5th if you watch my vlogs real time. If not, dates honestly don't matter. But where was I headed with any of this information? I don't remember. So anyways, I was making sure that I got everything done. So my vlog is uploading. That will be released today. And I got up this morning and set up some balloons for her. I actually took the Dollar Tree Happy B-Day balloons, which surprised me how big it was. I kind of just expected it to be like about this big, but it was like this big. I mean, even bigger. So that really shook me for $1, so highly recommend. And then I strung it up. I wasn't sure like where to string it up because I have to admit I was not prepared. I've been doing this all year. I just feel like I'm not prepared, which isn't a problem, but with my personality type, I don't like that. I like to be a planner. So anyways, but now I'm gonna go get my daughter her nothing bundt cake because I know that she wants that. And we're going out to dinner. So we're going to downtown Dallas to have dinner with the family, and I'll try to vlog what I can with that. So, but first I gotta go get this cake. It's noon right now and I have to get ready by 5. I'll probably start getting ready about 4:30 actually, because we need to leave the house at 6 o'clock to make it to downtown and just like have enough time for me to like figure out parking. And just anytime you go into a major city, at least for me, I need like the extra 30 minutes so that I, you know, can find parking and figure everything out and all of that. So, and I hate being late. All right, here's her cake. So we actually spent quite a bit of time trying to pick out the bow. And by we, I mean me and the sales lady. In the end, I decided to go with just the simple, like, green. And I went with green because of all the colors. None of them were like her favorite because she loves like pastel-y, sherbety colors, and they didn't have anything that was like blue or orange. And so they had this holiday green, which You guys hear me talk about Harry Potter. We've been really like talking about Harry Potter. My daughter's always talked about Harry Potter from the beginning, but she's House Slytherin, and I thought at least make the bow represent something. So I went with the green, and then I decided I didn't like any of their little toppers either. They're just not like my daughter's style. So in the end, they had these little happy birthday picks, which they pointed out you can put candles behind there. So I'll do black candles, which I do have at home. So black and green are Slytherin, and I just think it's really cute. On a birthday walk. So we're all suited up. Look at the little berries on the tree. Are we going back? Yeah, let's go back. What time is it?
Let's keep going I want to see what's up there.
Okay.
No, a bit overdue.
Yeah, I saw a jogger.
Those things look like beasts.
She's really private. Oh, they're playing that game. There's like that.
Oh, look at that.
Why is this lopsided?
I don't know. Hold on.
I don't know about this, man. This is like True Beverly Hills. I am the ravine. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Just walk it.
No, I don't know if we both should be on here. You go first. Bye. Why is it? This is weird. Alright, here is a rare sighting of me not in jeans or in leggings. Just wearing a black dress. I've literally have worn this black dress to probably any event that I've ever needed to go to. It's just a black t-shirt dress that I think I got at Forever 21, honestly. I have tights on, and then my combat boots and some gold jewelry, a black necklace, but I wanted to show you guys the coat on top of this. P.S. going to my daughter's birthday dinner in downtown Dallas. So there's my coat. I'm gonna slip it on so you guys can kind of see what I was going for. And this is what I was going for. I actually have another camel coat. If you guys watch all my hauls, then it's the one that I got from Walmart. The reason why I decided to go with this one, which is from Shein, which is gorgeous, I absolutely love it, is because of the length on this. So I wanted something pretty long for the look, but I knew that I wanted to go for just an all black look and then a camel coat. Obviously, I'm not going to be wearing this while I'm eating dinner, but anyways, this is the style I was going for. I have to add a couple more necklaces, but I wanted to show you guys that I'm wearing a dress.